Hello everyone, this is Nisha Chauhan and you're watching Scienceaholic. In today's video, we will be discussing about the most important chemical compounds and their names. So this topic is very important as an exam point of view because every exam you will be getting this type of question. There, examiner is asking you to write the element present in given compound or write the common name of any chemical compound. So in last video, we have already discussed chapter number 2 of class 9, that is matter around us pure? And if you have not seen that video, you just go on my channel Scienceaholic and you can watch. So let's start the topic. So first column, you can see compound name, formulas and the common name. So the first compound is calcium oxide. As you can see, calcium oxide means calcium is Ca element and oxide is O. So the formula is CaO and the common name of this is quicklime. It is very important. In every exam you can see this question. Question number 2, carbon monoxide, CO. Mono means single oxygen with the carbon. So it's CO and the common name is carbonic oxide. It is very important. Third, solid carbon dioxide. Now this is very common, CO2. Carbon dioxide, di means 2 oxygen present with carbon, so it's CO2 and the common name is dry ice. Fourth, magnesium oxide, that is magnesium MgO and the common name is magnesia. Fifth, calcium sulfate. Calcium is Ca and the sulfate is SO4 and the common name is gypsum. It is also very important. Sixth, copper sulfate. Now only you have to change first element of this, so you can easily get sulfates of any element. So this is copper sulfate and it's called blue vitriol. Blue vitriol, it's a common name of copper sulfate. Now seventh, ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, that is green vitriol. Zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, that is white vitriol. Now you can see this vitriol is common, so you can easily learn these names. Now ninth, aluminum sulfate. Formula Al2SO3. So this is about aluminum sulfate and the common name is alum. 10, potassium aluminum sulfate. Now formula, it's potassium K, Al aluminum, SO4 is sulfate. So this is hydrated form, that's why we have written here 12 water molecules. Common name potassium alum. 11, copper chloride, CuCl2 and the common name it's called cuprous. 12, calcium hypochlorite, that is Ca, hypo means oxygen is there and 2Cl2, that is hypochlorite and it's commonly known as bleaching powder. It's very important, so don't forget to learn this name. Calcium chloride, now it's chloride of calcium, so CaCl2. Now it's called de-icing salt. 14, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. Its common name is sal soda or we can say washing soda and you can find this chemical in detergents and soap. 15, sodium bicarbonate. Bi, you have to learn this bi means H, so NaHCO3. It's bicarbonate and commonly known as baking soda that we are using in the kitchen. So 16, calcium hydroxide. So this is the hydroxide of calcium, CaOH2. Now in previous videos we have discussed about how you can write the chemical formula using valency, and if you have not seen that video, you just go on my channel and you can watch. So and you can find that link in description box below. And the common name of this calcium hydroxide is slaked lime. It is also very important. So slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. Hydrox means OH. 17, that is carbon, and you know that carbon is symbol C and common name is graphite or graphite. 18, ammonia and the formula is NH3. 19, ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl and the common name is salt ammoniac. Salt ammoniac is the common name of ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl. Now dinitrogen oxide. Di means 2 nitrogens will be there with the oxygen. So that way you can learn that is N2. N2 means dinitro, an oxygen. And common name of this dinitrogen oxide is laughing gas. 21. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Calcium is Ca and carbonate is CO3. So the common name is limestone or marble. 22. Potassium chloride, that is KCl, or common name salt substitute. So these are some compounds. Let's see. 23. Magnesium hydroxide. Now it's a hydroxide of magnesium, so MgOH2. So common name of this is milk of magnesia. 24. Hydrochloric acid. It's very common, and hydrochloric, it's HCl, and it's very strong acid, and the common name of this hydrochloric acid is muriatic acid. 25. Calcium sulfate hydrate. Calcium is Ca, sulfate is SO4, hydrate means water molecule is there in this molecule, in this compound. So CaSO4, 2H2O, 2 water molecules, that's why it is hydrated form, and it's known as plaster of Paris that we are using in pottery. Now methane. Methane, CH4, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen, and commonly known as, or common name is, marsh gas. So this is 26. Let's see. 27. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is very common in chemistry lab, and you might have used this sulfuric acid in the labs. So H2SO4. It's also called oil of vitriol. It's very strong acid. Now sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH, or it's also called caustic soda. 29. Sulfur dioxide. Di means 2, oxygen 2 molecule. So SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, and the common name is sulfurous. Last one, nitric acid. Nitric acid, the formula of nitric acid is HNO3, and the common name of this nitric acid is aqua fortis. So these are some compounds with their common names and formula. So this topic is very important. Learn these all formula, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. Bye for now.